Alright guys, I want to show you the next vehicle that I picked up. I got this for you. I got this for you guys because I know how much you guys love the Honda J Series V6 videos that I do. And this vehicle right here is what it has inside it. Honda J Series V6. I give you a 2003 Acura CL with a 3.2 liter Honda J Series V6. Okay, well, needs some work. So I got this vehicle for an extremely low price. The reason I got it, because he started on it, and him and his uncle, he said, and his uncle was telling him what to do and how to do it, and his uncle, unfortunately, ended up going to the hospital, and he's been there for an extended amount of time, and he didn't know how to get this thing back together. So I found this smoking deal for this Honda CL. Said it overheated. I've got all the parts over on the bench table over there. I'll show you that in a second. But I'm going to be doing some head gaskets on this thing. Getting the heads machined. He said it overheated. But when I look down in here, doing a little bit more research, you can see kind of what looks like, you know, a strawberry milkshake, kind of blown head gasket-ish looking reservoir coolant, but the thing in here, it's water. He's running water. So the water jackets right here have quite a bit of calcium in it, and then got some flash rust here. He said it's only been sitting for like a month is what he said, but who knows? The sticker on the license plate is of last year, so hasn't been sitting that long. But I got this for you guys, all right? I really did. I truly did. I got this because I know you guys love seeing Honda J Series V6 engines and head gaskets. I don't know how many videos I can get out of this thing. Probably a whole bunch. I bet the crankshaft pulley bolt is stuck, like always. Let me take you on the interior real quick. Back seats look great. Headliner looks great. Carpet isn't bad. The seat is torn up like all these Acuras of this time get torn up. Needs good shampoo. You know what I might do? I might just pull out these seats all together. Take this one out. Take the passenger side out. Pull the carpet out. Steam clean it. Got the wheel cover here. Sure, that is all torn up. Aftermarket radio. That side doesn't look too bad. Dash isn't cracked. Oh, you can't see because I have floor mats up there. Don't know if that works. Type S, baby. Type S. There are the floor mats. Coming back to the trunk area. Doesn't look bad. There is no spare tire, which is kind of a bummer. I should call him back and see if he has it. But everything else is kind of intact. This doesn't look bad at all. I actually flipped this upside down because it was it's been sitting for so long it actually started to bow in the middle, so I wanted to reverse it and get it back to normal shape. Get that leaf out of the way. If there's any specific video you want to see, leave a comment down below what I can do or what I can show you on this Acura CL. I always want to say TL because I did have a black TL. The Acura TL I had was actually my first Honda that I ever had, which actually started Bundy's Garage. Body is in good shape. I mean, it's some dings and dents, and some of the paint on the roof is peeling away, but other than that, it is not bad. Not bad. I mean, not really any like huge dents or dings or anything terrible, you know. Some faded red paint. Don't know where the radiator cap is. I'm sure it's there. Have some parts here for it. Timing belt cover. Probably exhaust manifold. Radiator hose. There's a motor mount bracket down there. Looks like he had an amplifier here at one time. I spread out all the parts. He had this all in his garage. But valve covers, lower intake manifold or lower intake, timing cover, head bolts. He actually put them into cardboard for me. Let's see, are they 6-point? Yep, they're 6-point, so I'm going to reuse those bad boys. Air freshener. I can go in the trash. Exhaust manifold. Gaskets here. These are the head gaskets. Got some spark plugs laying around. Head. Another head. So, there we go. Got to get these over to the machine shop. And we'll go from there. So, like I said, if you guys want to see anything specific on this CL, leave a comment down below. And I'll try to make it happen for you guys.